Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we're going to talk about the top best iPhone 11 cases you can buy on Amazon. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Keeping your iPhone 11 safe with a robust case can be a full-time job if you don't have it protected. In a variety of styles and materials, cases and covers come, and what could be right for you may not be right for everyone. I have prepared this video guide for the best iPhone 11 cases to give you the ins and outs to help you make the right choice. So let's get started. 5. Sketch Vortex Case. Due to the special adjustable ring on the back, the Vortex stands out. It can fold out to help you maintain a tight grip on your iPhone 11, or it can serve as a kickstand to prop up your phone. This case also has a metal mounting plate, so it will work with magnetic mounts, and Sketch says wireless charging does not interfere with it. A dual-layer construction with a protective lip for the screen and a scratch-resistant soft-touch coating is the case itself. Up to 10 feet, it is drop-tested. 4. Griffin Survivor. If you're looking for some serious drop protection, then you're ready to deliver Griffin Survivor Extreme. This case can protect against drop damage of up to 15 feet, it has port covers to keep debris out, and the two-piece design meets the standards of military drop testing. It inevitably adds some considerable bulk, but wireless charging still works with the case on and it will give you peace of mind. 3. Spigen Ultra Hybrid. When you want a little protection at a low price, and still want to be able to show off your iPhone, Spigen's Ultra Hybrid case is an excellent option. To protect it better from falls, the Ultra Hybrid case wraps your iPhone 11 in a clear TPU bumper. The back, meanwhile, is made of hard polycarbonate that will clearly display the color of your phone. And, both the screen and the glass camera bump will be protected by the case's raised edges. Take a look at Amazon. 2. Casemate. This semi-transparent case reveals a little of the inside of the iPhone, but in greens and blues it has an eye-catching satin matte camouflage finish. In the corners, the bumper section is strengthened to provide 10-foot drop protection and features chunky button covers and precise openings for the ports and speakers. It's flexible, so it can absorb a certain amount of shock, and it also improves your grip. The back is designed to resist scratches and wireless charging is fully compatible. 1. Razer Arctech. Razer, the company behind some of the best laptops for gaming, also designs cases for iPhones. It has a new Arctech Slim case made for gaming fans for the iPhone 11. The case also has a thermally conductive lining to take heat away from the phone, in addition to offering Razer's signature colors and adding a bit of protection to the iPhone 11. To help maintain the entire device cool, it combines that with vents. And, the case is still thin enough for Qi wireless charging to work with. Take a look at Amazon. So guys, this was the video about the best iPhone 11 cases. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.